Vivobook 15 is your everyday companion that's always ready to make light work of your agenda, whether it's office or personal, presentations or play. Processor, Intel Core i3-12115U. Graphics, Intel UHD graphics. Memory, 4GB DDR4. Storage, 256GB M.2 NVMe. Display, 15.6 FHD, 1920x1080. 16:9 aspect ratio, LED backlit, 60Hz refresh rate, 220 nits. 45% NTSC color gamut. Anti-glare display. TÜV Rheinland certified. Non-touchscreen. Keyboard and touchpad. Chiclet keyboard. 1.4mm key travel, precision touchpad. Camera. 720p HD camera. With privacy shutter.